Unveiling the meaning, skin in the game. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a particularly intriguing phrase, skin in the game. It's a phrase you might have heard in various contexts. But what does it actually mean? Stay tuned as we unravel its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, skin in the game, refers to having a personal investment in an endeavor or project. When someone has skin in the game, it means they have something to lose if things don't go well. This personal stake can be financial, emotional, or even reputational. It's not just about money. It's about being deeply involved and committed to the outcome of a situation. The origin of skin in the game is somewhat debated, but it's widely attributed to Warren Buffett, a famous American investor. He used it to describe a scenario where investment advisors only make money if their advice proves profitable for their clients, thereby ensuring they are genuinely committed to their clients' success. Over time, the phrase has transcended the world of finance, becoming popular in business, politics, and everyday life. Let's put skin in the game into context with some examples. Investing in a startup. When an entrepreneur invests their own money into their startup, they have skin in the game. Educational success. A student paying for their own tuition may be more motivated to succeed, showing they have skin in the game. Project management. A manager whose performance bonus is tied to the success of a project has skin in the game. These examples illustrate how having a personal stake in an outcome can influence behavior and decision-making. You can use skin in the game in various situations to express the idea of personal investment. It's a powerful way to highlight commitment, risk, and involvement. For instance, in a conversation about business ventures, you might say, "I'm not just advising. I have skin in the game too." This statement conveys your personal stake and commitment to the project's success. Understanding and using phrases like skin in the game can enrich your English vocabulary and help you communicate more effectively. It's a phrase that signifies more than just financial investment. It's about personal commitment and the willingness to take risks. We hope this video has shed light on this fascinating phrase and that you'll feel confident using it in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.